Cracking your knuckles will not give you arthritis. Inside each of your knuckles is a capsule filled with synovial fluid, which acts like a lubricant for your joints. When you stretch or bend your fingers, the pressure inside the capsule changes, causing tiny bubbles in the fluid to burst. And that's what causes the satisfying pop. Some studies even suggest that cracking your knuckles could actually be beneficial by increasing your joint's range of motion. However, if you experience pain while doing it, you might want to see a doctor, just in case.